Hello everyone, in today's video we're gonna take a closer look at this Renault Megane from 2008 R26-R. This model is made by Solido at a 1/43 scale. Everything in the front looks pretty good. We have the Renault logo there in the front. On the side we have the wheels, which are blacked and look pretty good. Also we have the decals from the R26-R model. In the back we have the stop lights, we have the Renault logo, so we have the Renault Sport logo there, and the exhausts are also black. Let's check out the interior. We have the Nürburgring logo there on the side window, and also we have the roll cage in the back. I think it's a pretty decent interior for this scale. We have a lot of details. We even have those bucket seats with the seat belts that are painted. Please tell me in the comments what do you think about the model, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos.